Walking back to the house, gonna make this new idea I just thought of. Check out the epic hedges in this country. Welcome back. Today we're going to be highlighting beets, and particularly beet cheeks. One of the lesser known parts of the beet, located on the left and right. After a quick rinse and wash, roast them in a hot oven for about 45 minutes. During that time, you get to play with the pup. You'll know they're done when a skewer can pass through very easily. Lucky enough for me, I have a friend that's a tattoo artist, so I got to borrow these cool purple gloves. For the most incredible jalapeno crema that we're going to be adding at the end of this, we're going to use 1 cup of raw cashews and soak in boiling water. We're also going to toast off a teaspoon of cumin seeds and then start blistering a jalapeno and some garlic cloves. I like to toast off the seeds before I add the jalapeno and garlic just to savor that flavor. We're just going to grind the cumin seeds and then peel the garlic and remove the seeds from the jalapeno. Leave them in there if you want it extra spicy, but for this, I'm going to take them out. After a quick drain and rinse of the cashews, I'm adding them to a high-speed blender with a little bit of the pickled jalapenos, some fresh jalapenos that we just blistered, the garlic, some cilantro, coriander for my UK friends. And we're going to thin it out with a little bit of plant-based milk. Just blend until silky smooth and you got this great consistency. It tastes amazing. I love this sauce. Now we'll move on to the salsa. This salsa has 3 main ingredients: cherry tomatoes, blistered, green onions or scallions, and coriander or cilantro. And I will list the full recipe in the description and we'll link it to our website soon. Once you have all the mise en place done, the tomatoes, they just break apart by themselves. And you're just going to mix in the green onion and cilantro. This is a super simple and delicious sauce. You can add jalapenos right to this, but I'm adding them at the end. And once the salsa is done, we'll just prep up the lettuce, and then we'll start on the beets. So this first recipe I'm doing with no oil, so the healthier version. I'm just going to coat it with a little bit of dusting of black pepper, salt, searing quickly with a cover on top, and then just set those aside. So for this first recipe, we're doing it healthier, no oil. The only oil I'm using is to clean the pan. And yes, you can boil the beets, you can buy prepackaged, but I like to roast my own with the herbs because it adds that extra flavor, and I am all about layering flavors. And a quick slice on the avocado, and then I like to warm my tortillas up and save them in a little towel like this. So I'm going to prep up the no oil ones first, and then we're going to move on to the Kentucky fried beet cheeks in 1 second. Right after I build these, I'm going to set them aside to try them both at the end. And they look gorgeous and are amazing. Love making this dish. And this brings us to Wicked Kitchen Naked Burrito Frozen Ready Meal, available in the US and UK. For when you don't want to even do any of this fuss, just quick in the microwave, you can make tacos in minutes. Now for the Kentucky fried beet cheeks, we're going to have wet dry batter with a little bit of plant-based milk, touch of apple cider vinegar, and then we're going to season the flour, mix it up well, and then just start coating. I'm going to double dip these, so flour, liquid, back to flour, and then finish it off, getting ready for frying. This is going to be amazing, I know it. I like to fry at a temperature range of like 165 to 170 Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is Celsius. I'd have to look it up. But you can do it on a stovetop. Just want to make sure the heat is right. So if you have a thermometer, I just use this handy dandy countertop one. And I'm seasoning these after. I just toss them with a little bit of the Wicked Kitchen rotisserie chicken seasoning. Now if you don't have that, just use your own seasoning blend. Yeah, make do with what you got. And then I like to warm up these tortillas. We're just going to build these like the other ones, except this with the Kentucky fried beet cheeks. Amazing. Lots of that jalapeno crema. Super delicious, guys. I can't explain how good these are. Both versions, amazing. So you want the no oil one? I got you right here. Delicious. You want the super wicked one? Here you go. We got them all for you. Appreciate you guys. We're coming to an end of this video. Everything is listed in the description below. Thank you for watching. Smash that like, subscribe, you know, all the things. I appreciate your support and that you eat more plant-based. This is amazing. Seriously. I had never done this before, so this is the first time doing it. Just capitalizing on an idea I had. Yeah, thanks guys. Take care.